To take the 2's complement of a number or write a number in negative or sign form, you first have to flip all the bits and then add 1 in them. So let's take an example. If you want to write minus or negative 25 and we want to represent it in 8 bits, so our very first step would be just write 25 in binary. So the binary of 25 is 1 1 0 0 1, but we want to represent this in 8 digits. So we have 5 digits here and we would just fill in 3 more zeros on the left hand side to make it 8. So now our first step is to flip all the bits. So where you have 1 you would write 0, and where you have 0 you would write 1. So in place of 0 I'm writing 1, and in place of 1 I'm writing 0. And then after you have flipped the bits, just add 1 in your result. So in this value we will add 1, 0 plus 1 1, and then we will just write this as it is. So this is how you would write negative 25 in binary.